The human body shouldn't be able to do this. Some people sleep through thunderstorms while others wake at a whisper. Your brain is literally filtering incoming signals while you're unconscious. It's called selective attention during sleep, and it's wild. Your brain learns which sounds matter to you. A parent hears their baby cry instantly, but ignores traffic noise completely. Light sensitivity works the same way. Your eyes send signals, but your brain decides what registers as a threat. People with high sleep pressure, meaning deep sleep debt, suppress sensory input harder. Their bodies prioritize rest over vigilance. It's not weakness or strength, it's pure neurology. Your brain is protecting sleep like it protects your life. Save this and share with someone.